Good morning, class 9th. In last class, I had taught you about the subject verb agreement and its 3 rules. Okay. So now I am starting with rule 4. There are several rules which you have to study. Okay. So I am explaining you rule by rule. Okay. You have to write it down in your copy also. Okay. So rule 4 is it is always followed by a singular verb. Okay. Rule 1 I had taught you that with singular subject we use singular verb and with plural subject we use plural verb. And in rule 4 what is given is it is always followed by a singular verb. Yani agar if you see it in any sentence, then after it with whatever helping whatever verb you are using, that will always be in singular form. Okay, you don't have to use plural verb with it. For example, it is hot today. You cannot write it are hot today. Okay, understood? It means after it you have to use singular verb only. Okay, next one is it was 7:30 a.m. at that time. Next, it is followed by was. Was is a singular verb. Okay, what is plural form? Plural form is were. Okay, so it के साथ हमेशा क्या लगता है? Singular verb. And in this sentence, it is followed by a singular verb, that is was. Okay. Now next is it has been a mistake. Okay. What is given is has is a singular verb. Here also we are using singular verb. Okay. It has been a mistake. Understood? It means after it you have to use singular verb only. Okay. Now we come to the next rule, that is rule 5. Under this rule, a singular subject with attached phrases introduced by with, like or as well as is followed by singular verb. It means with the words with, like or as well as, what you have to use is singular verb. It means after with, after like or after as well as, what comes is singular verb. Okay, means wherever you see these 3 words you have to use singular verb always. For example, Ramesh with several others was disqualified. In this line, Ramesh is a singular subject and with is also used in this sentence, and along with this word what you have to use is singular verb. Why? Because was is a singular verb, and if you want plural then you have to write were, but you don't have to write were in this sentence, because with, like or as well as, what we use is singular verb. Okay. In next sentence, Tom as well as Salim, it means आपने यहाँ पे you identify as well as और यहाँ पे with, इन दोनों के साथ what you are using is singular verb. Okay. Now comes to the next rule. Now we come to rule 6. Under rule 6, here are some words which are followed by singular verbs. It means अगर आप इन सारे words को देखेंगे, what you will do? You will use singular verb with that words. Okay, and the words are each of, one of, neither of. Okay, each, any, none, anybody, etc. It means all of these words are always and always followed by singular verb. Means इस word को देखेंगे तो after this word what you will use is singular verb. For example, each one of my friends has a pet. Each of, okay, my friends has a pet. It means you have seen this word each of, with this each of, what we are using is has. It means it is a singular verb. Okay. Next sentence is neither of the thieves was caught. Okay. दो subject क्या है? Plural है. But because you are using neither of in this sentence, so because of this you are using singular verb. Okay. ऐसे अगर rule 1 की बात करें, in according to that rule, with plural subject you have to use plural verb. Okay. But in this you don't have to see the subject. What you are looking is neither of, means with this word what you will do, you will definitely use singular verb. So you are using was, that is singular verb. Okay. Next is anybody is welcome here. Anybody, you have seen this anybody in this list. Okay. It means with anybody also what you will use, singular verb. So here is also singular verb. Next sentence is none of the students was present. Okay. Students, though students are plural verb, plural subject. Okay. But with the use of this word, that is none of. Okay. Yeah, none. What you will use? Singular verb. Understood? Okay. Now come to rule 7. Okay. Under rule 7, when two subjects are connected by and, it means in question, in sentence, two subjects will be there, that is to be connected by and. So which verb will you use? You will use plural verb. For example, Tanu and Manu are great friends. It means you are looking that here and is used in the subject, means connected with the and. Okay, means the subjects are connected with and, so you are using are. It means plural form of verb. Next, Azhar and his wife like boating. Azhar and his wife. It means two subjects are connected with and. So with and what you will use is plural form of verb. So plural form of verb is like. Understood? Now come rule 8. Okay. Under rule 8, some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning take a singular verb. It means ऐसे nouns जो कि form में plural होते हैं. Okay. Means अगर आप उसको देखेंगे, you will see it by a word, by its word. तो what you will recognize कि यहाँ पे s और es लगा है, s लगा है, तो what it will be is plural in its form, but it gives singular meaning. Okay. So you have to go through the meaning only. Means आपको ये देखना है कि s लगा है, नहीं लगा है, plural है, singular है, but अगर आप उसकी meaning पे जाएंगे तो what is it? अगर वो singular meaning देता है, then you will use singular verb, and in case it gives plural meaning, then you will use plural verb. Okay. It means, for example, the news is true. Although the word news means आप ऐसे देखेंगे तो news मतलब लगेगा कि बहुत सारे news हैं, but in the news is singular in its meaning. Okay. So इसके साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? Is use करेंगे. Like, let's see the another example also. Mathematics is a branch of study in every school. Mathematics S लगा है लास्ट में, you see, और आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट होंगे like mathematics, economics, accounts. Okay, S लगा है, but in this sentence we are talking about singular subject. Okay, ये एक ही subject है. It's not very different type of subject. Okay, so इसका मीनिंग क्या आ रहा है? मीनिंग आ रहा है कि ये सिंगुलर एक सब्जेक्ट की ही बात हो रही है. सो विद दिस यू विल यूज इज. ओके. अच्छा, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा नोटिस भी किया है कि ग्रुप में मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट राइट लाइक नेम दीपिका एंड सब्जेक्ट मैथ. You have to never write maths as a math. Okay, you have to always write maths, economics, accounts. Okay, you have to use S with that. subject, particular subject. Okay, अगर आप math बोल रहे हैं तो that is wrong. Next rule is noun singular in form, means noun अगर आप उसको पढ़ेंगे तो आपको लगेगा ये singular है, but उसकी meaning क्या है? Plural meaning है. तो अगर meaning plural है तो which verb you will use is plural verb. For example, 12 dozen cost 100 rupees. It means यहाँ पे dozen है, dozens नहीं लिखा है. Okay, s नहीं लगा है, तो आपको देखने में लग रहा है कि ये singular है, but actually it is talking about 12 dozens, means 12 दर्जन. Okay, it means it gives plural in meaning. तो plural अगर meaning दे रहा है तो what will you will use? Plural. Okay, it means you will use this cost. Okay, you will not use costs. Okay, and further there are many rules also that I will discuss you in next class. Till now you have to write notes up to this. Okay.